Hello friends, welcome back to the lesson 2 of my video channel for VBA tutorial. You might remember we had created a basic VBA macro in previous video. Here's the file. In current video we are going to learn about some of the terminology which will come across more often. Let's start with the first terminology, that is called module. A module is the area where we write the code. Let me show you. Let's open this VBA tutorial file. We can open the code editor by clicking on the Visual Basic option in the developer menu. It's here, or by pressing Alt F11 button on our keyboard. So you could see a module here, and in this module we have written our first VBA script code. Here we have only one module available in our Excel file. There is a possibility that we can create multiple modules. So let's create a new one for our lesson 2. So module 2 is available here. In a module, VBA code is written under procedures. Procedure is a series of VBA statements. So there are two types of procedure in VBA: sub-procedure and function. So as you remember, in our first module we have already created a sub-procedure. Now for our lesson 2 we'll do the same. We'll create a sub-procedure. Let's do it calling a name sub, and lesson 2 sample, and well, we can just press enter button and it automatically adds end sub. So whatever comes in between this sub are the statements, are the procedure, are the statements of this procedure. Whereas a function are reusable code which can be called from anywhere in our program. This eliminates the need of writing same code over and over again. So this helps us to divide big program into smaller and manageable functions. Function may return a value or may not, whereas the sub-procedure do not return a value at all. So let's create a function for maybe some calculation or outputs for calculating the sum. So we'll say calculate sum, and we can add some arguments here like number 1 as integer, set data type integer, number 2 as integer. If you are not aware about data type, don't worry, we'll be learning about in upcoming videos. Here just you remember numbers as integers. Now since we said function can return a value or may not return, so if we don't want to return, maybe we can say something message box number 1 as number 2, and from our lesson 2 example, the sub procedure, we can call calculate sum with two values, maybe 1 comma or something, and let's hit the start button or the run button. It will say 5. So it has calculated 4 plus 1 as 5. That was the output of the calculate sum. Let's suppose we want to return the value from the function. Then what we do is replace the message box with the function name itself, calculate sum equals to this, and here we can say result equals to calculate sum, message box result. We can save it. We can define result in the top dim result as integer. So this is the way it is defined in the VBA. So let's run it. It will ask which macro you want to run. So it is lesson 2 example. Just click on the run and it comes as 5 again. Okay, so you're getting results here. So that's all from the lesson 2. You have learned about some terminology, modules, what is a function, what is a sub procedure. Further, we'll be meeting again to learn more about VB Basic. For right now, this is the end of the video too. Thanks a lot for watching it. Have a nice day, nice time. Bye.